How WhatsApp makes money, the business model decoded. In order to compete with expensive SMS services, Brian Acton and Jan Koum launched WhatsApp in 2009. Users of the app may send free messages to anyone who has the app installed and upload their contact book. It's accessible on PCs, iPhones, and Android devices. WhatsApp has an estimated 1 billion users across the globe, making it one of the most popular messaging apps ever created. So, what makes WhatsApp so successful? We examine the business model of the messaging app to understand how WhatsApp makes money. Revenue Stream 1: User Payments. WhatsApp users can send messages, videos, and photos to one another for free. However, the app also offers a paid version that costs 99 cents per year. This annual subscription allows users to enjoy an ad-free experience and access to some premium features, like being able to see who has read your messages. WhatsApp makes money by charging its users a small annual fee. Revenue Stream 2: Advertising. In addition to charging users a subscription fee, WhatsApp also generates revenue through advertising. This is done by displaying targeted ads in the status section of the app. These ads are based on user data, such as location, age, and gender. WhatsApp is able to sell targeted advertising space to businesses that want to reach a specific audience. And because WhatsApp has more than 1 billion monthly active users, they have plenty of options for advertisers. For example, Toyota reportedly spent $10 million on an ad campaign which reached 180 million people in India. Of course, not all of these people actually clicked on the ad, but the company was still happy with its investment. Revenue Stream 3: Subscription Service. In addition to the subscription service, WhatsApp also offers a paid version of the app that comes with some extra features. The most notable of these is the ability to use WhatsApp without an internet connection via SMS. This is a great feature for people who travel often or live in areas with spotty coverage. However, it's not clear how many people are willing to pay for this service. As of now, WhatsApp only charges users in developing countries 99 cents a year. Western nations like the United States and Canada have been charged upwards of $1.50 per year since 2016. Even at its cheapest price point, WhatsApp revenue from subscriptions isn't enough to cover costs like operating expenses and employee salaries. A lot has changed since WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook in 2014 for $19 billion. From how much we chat to what's on our minds, new technology continues to shape the way we communicate with one another every day, and that trend shows no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Revenue Stream 4: WhatsApp Pay. WhatsApp has demonstrated a strategic tendency towards using companies to monetize the platform in recent years, and WhatsApp Pay is another example of this. Businesses must pay a fixed 3.99% cost every transaction, even though WhatsApp Pay is a free service for end users. Only Brazil and India have WhatsApp Pay at the time of writing. What is the revenue of WhatsApp? Because the parent business does not disclose the income split of the many products it manages, only Facebook is aware of the precise amount of money that WhatsApp earns. WhatsApp's earning potential is still far from being reached. Therefore, in the following years, it can be anticipated that its basic revenue contribution to its parent business would rise. Please take a moment to like us, subscribe, click the notification bell, share, and tell your friends about our channel while you're here. Wait, please click to view more of our fascinating videos. Thank you for your time.